Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to updating your device date and time setting. First step is open your mobile setting, then scroll down and tap journal, and then scroll down and tap date and time. Slide the switch next to set automatically is a to turn on. If you want to 24 hours time format, then on this toggle, but I am using 12 hours.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.